There they go. There's WMTX. They're the originator.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Test alert. Test alert.
See if WSRZ is relaying it. Yep. And there goes 1059.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Perfect. Alright, that is that.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This also tests the same system, more specific area messaging code. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WG59 listening area for the following marine location.
Okay.
Coastal waters.
This still has EOM thing, even though if I turn it on manually. This still goes off after EOM. Alright, let's see. So, we'll start with the 400, like we always do. CO100 went off on WXK83. This did not go off as usual. This went off this time. This went off. The 120. R1630. This did not go off. .300 and the BC370 was set to FM because I was monitoring that other channel earlier for the WMTX test. And the HH went off on WWG59. Zone guards turned off. And ER50 was also turned off. So alright, that's the test for today, and you probably saw the fail earlier. So, alright, that's it.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, a 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Thank you. The Sarasota Breezes and Climate Summary for yesterday. also a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the west central southwest Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system, our specific area message encoder. The same system will only alert the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. The Sarasota Bradenton climate summary for this evening as of